The view as well. Squirreless LED high bay from work. This is an outdoor LED light. Now I did some tests and I've plugged it in, wired it up. I got nothing on the power supply output, so I've troubleshooted it, and the power supply is dead. These Chinese LEDs do that, and I'm just tested this now. Got it hooked up to the power supply. Sure enough, got it flat out 37 volts, 1 amp, about 40 watts of power. It's a 200 watt LED. I haven't got enough power going into that. That's not at full brightness either. The camera doesn't like that. 38 volts, 1 amp, 40 watts. That's 200 watt spotlight there. Floodlight. That is awesome. They all seem to work. Damn my eyes. Yeah, don't look at that. Holy crap. I'm going blind. That's only running at 40 watts power. Yeah, still cold. So that works fine. I'm going to put this back together and just troubleshoot the power supply. Yeah, I got all these at work outside to replace the old halogen ones. Anyway, so the LED is fine. Awesome. So the power supply is the easy bit to fix, and that's not so hard to get a hold of. These LEDs, you've got to get D1 to fit this light, but since that's okay. Holy crap, because I could see like black marks in here. I thought they were blowing out dead LEDs, but no, they're fine. 200 watt, 3030, I think that's the technology SMD LEDs, 3030s. 6 volt, I think, I think they're 6 volts per LED, I think. 7 series, 34 parallel. You can just look, we've got series 7. Then they're in series parallel. That's 34, there's 7 LEDs in series, and there's 34 sets of those in parallel. There's a part number there. Anyway, I kept this nice and clean, put it back together. So that the power supply is the issue. We had some other LED high bays indoors. Had like a big glass dome on them, and they would just flash on, flash off, flash on, and strobe a lot. Gotta love Chinese LEDs. I'll have to get in touch with the next time I do it. I don't know if this time I got it, but if I ever do a clean up, I'm gonna try and get a hold of those. That'll be cool to take apart, because just the power supply. Some of them have got power supply, some have got LED issues. I can make one good one out of 2 of those. This is definitely pretty good. This will be great for out behind the shed. These things, they throw some bloody light. They are bright. It's got the little weatherproof thing on it. It goes and slides over it and seals it all, which is good. Quality stuff. Not bad for a set made of China. The manufacturer. It's on there somewhere. VOLEC, I think. Volec, I think, is the manufacturer. Model VBLH8-630-4-50. Works 100 to 240 volt, 200 watt power, 5000 K color temp, 120 degree angle, beam angle, minus 20 to 45 degrees Celsius. They've withstood the 50 degree heat, so these are from 2016. About 3 years they lasted. This is only one that's been replaced so far, so if any others die, I don't know, get on to the bosses and yeah. Usually they go on the bin, they'll let me have them. Just got to ask first. But these would be great for the shed. Let's put Australian Stig, Hamish, his street LED to shame. Although I could put this module inside an old roadster body, but then they've got to work it on the heat sinking and everything. This is nice. I like the look of this. It looks kind of cool. It's nice and waterproof. Very nice heat sink. Design's nice, and it's waterproof too, so you can run a garden hose over it if you want to overclock it, so to speak. Anyway, I put the front lens back on. We'll have a look at the power supply. Okay, well, here is a power supply. Heavy duty stuff in a big heat sink. Meanwell, that's a Taiwanese company. That's quality stuff. Input 240 volt, 2.5 amp. 277 volt for North America only. Output 49 volt maximum at 5 amp constant current. Alpha 0.95 for operation with LED modules only. New Taipei City, Taiwan. There's actually being near where this company is actually headquartered. That's near where my wife's from, near Taipei. Not just down the road actually, this company. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take this off. I wonder if just some capacitors have gone bad. As I said, the Meanwell is a good bloody brand. Yeah. Easy fix. The model is HPG240-48A. 50 volts at 5 amps. That's almost as good as that. The voltage is right to run that, but need 20 amps to max that out. Pretty cool. Anyway, let's get this thing repaired. Awesome. Ha ha ha, it's all potted in silicon. Run say quiet, it's all been potted. Wow. Potted in silicon. I have to carefully dig all this stuff out and dissolve somehow. I wonder how I can get all this out without wrecking everything. Pretty soft. Gonna be a messy process so getting that out so I can check the power supply out. Bolted, it's meant at the bottom of that. Oh my god. That's probably what's holding it all in. It's going to be fun to get the capacitors in this replaced. Wow. I'm going to have to carefully cut all this out. Yeah, it's going to be a mission. If I destroy it, at least I've got what the model number is and I can order a new one. So, all won't be lost. A little plug there had popped out. There it is. Wow. Well potted. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.